Part 9. How to calibrate a capacitive liquid level sensor. During customer usage, various scenarios may arise. For example, changing the medium will cause errors in the original calibration data. In such cases, we need to manually calibrate the sensor. How to perform the calibration? First step, manually lower the liquid level to O. In other words, the liquid level must be below the lowest part of the sensor. Keep the sensor in this state for a certain period, which depends on the viscosity of the liquid. For example, for water, about 30 minutes is sufficient. For oil or other viscous liquids, more time may be required, even up to a full day. Next, we perform the empty value calibration, also known as zero calibration. First, enter the command 010600 1300. (1300) is our code for calibrating the empty value. Enter this into the OOA register. Click Send. The transmission was successful. Indicates that the empty value has been calibrated. Now we need to fill the tank to full level. Alright, let's get a camera shot here. Let's check the liquid level. Okay, the liquid level has been filled to the top. Let's drain a little. Look, the liquid level is here now. Let's fill it to the top again. Good, the liquid level is now full. It should be noted that it's best to use the actual measured liquid for calibrating the capacitive sensor. If you're using it with oil, the calibration liquid should also be oil. Our default calibration liquid here is water. After filling with water, we need to enter this code. Enter the command 010600A2300. Input the code 2300 into our OOO register. The code 230 is used for calibrating the full value. Click Send. Now the full value has been calibrated. We also need to enter 010600A0300. Input 0300 into OOA. 300 is our save code. After calibrating the empty and full values, you need to enter 0300 to save. Otherwise, the calibration will be invalid, and you'll need to recalibrate. Click Send. Okay, at this point, our calibration is successful. We can now integrate this with the 4 to 20 mA output. I've already adjusted the 4 to 20 mA range. Set 4 mA to correspond to 120, which is 12 millimeters, and set 20 mA to correspond to the full value, which is 500 millimeters. Because of this sensor has a measuring range of 0 to 500 millimeters, with a probe length of 500 millimeters, our current liquid level is full, corresponding to 20 milliampere. You can see it's 19.9 milliamperes. Now, let's add a little more water, since some water overflowed earlier. You can see it's 19.974 milliamperes. which is normal sensor fluctuation. It's not a significant issue. Now let's drain the water. Keep draining until it reaches the bottom. Okay. The water has now separated from the sensor. The displayed value is 3.996 milliamperes. This chapter ends here. We understand your needs.